Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So these are our CVS deals from February 23rd to February 29th. So I am late with my haul this week, but I went to a birthday party and the girls had an amazing time. So I did notice something on my receipt before I get into the deals. It says Epic Beauty Event. So basically it is tracking since last week, this Epic Beauty Event, and is basically going to give you 10% of all your beauty. So I'm at $72.56 from last week. So that's equivalent to $7.25. So basically it ends on the 29th and the cap is maximum of $20. So the maximum they could give you back is $20. The last time we had this, I think I got like $69 in extra bucks if I'm not mistaken. And I did think it went from a period of time longer. This time is only 2 weeks. So I'm at $72.56, which is $7.25. And this is just one of my accounts. I didn't do anything on my second account today. I just kept it with one account and I did 2 different transactions. Also, I want to get into what is included in the beauty club at CVS, and make sure you sign up for it if you guys are new to couponing at CVS. So if you go on the app, you can see there, it's going to say once you apply for the app, you're going to see a part where it says beauty. So make sure you sign up for beauty, because every 30 you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck, and you could track it on your receipt as well as in your app. So the things that are included in beauty are going to be hair care, makeup, lotion, face care, and fragrance. So make sure you sign up for the beauty club at CVS. Again, every 30 you spend, you're going to get a $3 beauty buck. And these 2 weeks, so last week and this week, you get an additional 10% back on beauty purchases. So look at your receipt. It's going to say Epic Beauty Event on it. 10% back on your beauty purchases, and then you'll see the amount right there. So basically you do 72.56 plus 10%, whatever you get, that's how much you're going to get back so far. So last week was 72.56. Let's see what this week holds for us. Now, they are a lot of beauty deals. I did do 2 separate transactions. I didn't get a lot of beauty items, but I'm going to bring you guys videos throughout the week showing you some beauty deals. And I did get some really good CRTs. So let's jump into the in-store picture deals, and then I'll show you guys my haul as well as my receipt. So the first deal is going to be on Joa Cosmetics. They're on a promotion this week for spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of the lip liners for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. You're going to use a 3 off of 10 Joa CRT, making the total $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $1.98 for both of them, or 99 cents each. Vaseline as well as Axe Shower Gel are on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up 2 of the Axe Shower Gels for $5.99 each, making them $11.98. You're going to pick up 1 of the Vaseline 10 ounce for $4.79. So the total before coupons is going to be $16.77. You're going to use a $2 off 1 Vaseline that came out today in our 223 RMN. And I also have a 3 off of 2 Axe Shower Gel CRT, as well as a 2 off of 6 Body Wash CRT. So the total works out to $9.77, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $4.77 for all 3 of them, or $1.59 each. Tresemme 28 ounces on a promotion this week for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $8. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 223 RMN, and I got a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT. So after the CRT and the 4 off of 2 coupon, the total works out to $1.50, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So it works out to be free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Tresemme Premium is on a promotion this week, as well as buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So this is a total separate deal from the 28 ounce. So these are on sale 2 for $10. You're going to use that same 4 off of 2 coupon from our 223 RMN. I received a $2.25 off 10 hair care CRT, making the total $3.75, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to $1.75 for both of them, or 87 cents each. Crest 3D White Brilliance is on a promotion this week for buy one, get a $2 extra buck, and you can do this deal up to 2 times. So they're on sale this week for $4.99. You're going to pick up 2 of them for $9.98. You can use 2 of the dollar off 1 Crest coupons from our March P&G. And I received 2 $3 off teeth whitening CRTs. Now, those CRTs have to be override by your manager or your cashier. That is the only way that coupon will work. Now, if you have a store that doesn't override, even if it says override on it, then I do not suggest you guys do this deal because they have to override those coupons. I also had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, making the total $0, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks for buying 2 of them. So it worked out to be free plus a $4 moneymaker. This week, there are 2 promotions for spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks, and I did do both promotions. So the first promotion, you're going to buy 3 of the Pantene. They're on sale 3 for $12. You're going to buy 2 of the Crest toothpaste on sale for $2.99 each, making them $5.98. And you're going to pick up 2 of the Kleenex wipes on sale 2 for $3. So the total before coupons for all products is going to be $20.98. You're going to use the 5 off of 3 Pantene coupon from our March P&G. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 Crest from the same insert. You're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons for the Kleenex wipes and our 223 Smart Source. I received a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, and we're all receiving a 1 off of 2 Kleenex Instant coupon that's printing at the red box, and you have until the 29th to print that out, making the total $6.98, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck, so it works out to $1.98 for all of them, or 28 cents each item. So for the next spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks, the first items you're going to grab are 2 Palmolive 20 ounce. They're on sale for $1.99 each, making them $3.98. And you're going to pick up 3 of the Scott paper towels for $5.49 each, making all 3 of them $16.47. So the total before coupons for all products is going to be $20.45. You can use 3 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons for Scott paper towels on scottbrand.com. And you're going to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 Palmolive in our 223 Smart Source. Also, in our digital coupons, we do have a 50-cent off 1 for Scott, so make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. So if you don't have 3 of the printables, let's say you only have 2, you can use that digital coupon. But for some reason, it did not go through for me, and you guys are going to see at the end with my receipt. I had a 2 off of 8 paper towel CRT, and it does work for the Scott paper towels. It does not work for the Scott 1000 rolls. And I had a 1 off of 2 Palmolive CRT. So the total works out to $14.95, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $9.95 for all of them, or $1.99 each. Okay guys, so I'm back from CVS, and this is going to be my first transaction right here. So my first transaction, I did both spend 20, get $5 in extra buck promotions. And then this is going to be my second transaction here. So this trip was totally not a moneymaker. I actually took a really big hit in extra bucks, but I know I can make up for it during the week. So let's see what happens with the deals during the week, because I'm not finished with my deals at all. So let's go over the first transaction, the second transaction, and then I'll show you the receipt from the first transaction as well as the second transaction. So first transaction, first deal for the spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks is going to be the Pantene on sale 3 for $12. So I picked up those 3 right there. Then I picked up 2 of the Crest toothpaste for $2.99 each on sale. And then I picked up the Kleenex wipes, 2 for $3. And there goes the first promotion for spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. So it's going to be everything right here. Then for the second promotion, it's going to be $5.49 for the Scott paper towels. So I picked up 3 of them right there. And then I picked up 2 of the Palmolive on sale for $1.99 each. So that's the second spend 20, get $5 in extra bucks. So the total before coupons for both promotions is going to be $41.43. I had a 5 off of 3 Pantene from our March P&G. I had two $2 off for the Crest from our March P&G. 2 50-cent off, one from the Kleenex in our 223 Smart Source, and that's going to be for the Kleenex wipes. I had I had 2 of the 50-cent off Scott from scottbrand.com, and my 50-cent off digital coupon did not come off for this. So also I had 2 50-cent off Palmolive coupons from our 223 Smart Source. I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, a 2 off of 8 paper product CRT, a 1 off of 2 Palmolive CRT, and the instant coupon we're all receiving for $1 off 2 for the Kleenex wipes. So the total after coupons is going to be $22.43. I wrote $22 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 43 cents. But you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So you get back $5 for the first promotion, and you get back $5 for the second promotion. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt really quickly. Okay, so hold on one second. All right, so here goes the first receipt. There goes the Kleenex wipes, the 3 Pantene, the Scott paper towels, the Palmolive dish soap. Sorry about that. And there goes the Crest toothpaste. There goes all the coupons I used right there that I just mentioned. And as you guys see here, I do not have an e-coupon for Scott, so that didn't come off. Subtotal was 43 cents as predicted on the breakdown. I had a tax of $2.28, making my total $2.71. And there goes what I discussed in the beginning, guys, that Epic Beauty event. So far, $72.56 is counting towards that, and that ends on the 29th. I believe March 15 is when we receive that beauty buck, and you have to check your app for it, and the max is $20 for that. So there goes that $5 in extra bucks for the first promotion, and the second $5 in extra bucks for the second promotion. Now let's move on to the second transaction. So here goes my second transaction plus the Joa lip liners, and this is everything I picked up. So I picked up 2 of the Tresemme 2 for $10, and that's going to be the premium, and these are buy 2 get a $2 extra buck. I picked up 2 of the Tresemme 28 ounce. They're 2 for $8, and they're buy 2 get $2 in extra bucks. I picked up 2 of the Crest 3D White mouthwashes for $4.99 each. And when you buy one this week, you get a $2 extra buck. And you can do this deal up to 2 times. So I did it twice, making $4.99 for each of them. I picked up 2 Axe shower gels for $5.99 and a Vaseline 10 ounce for $4.79. And those are part of the Spend 15, get a $5 extra buck promotion. Joa products, spend 10, get 5. I picked up 2 of the lip liners right there for $4.99. Again, spend 10, get a $5 extra buck. So the total before coupons for everything in the second transaction is going to be $54.73. I used 2 of the 4 off of 2 coupons from our 223 RMN for the Tresemme. I used 2 of the $1 off for the Crest mouthwash in our March P&G. I used the $2 off for Vaseline in our 223 RMN. I had a $2.50 off 8 Tresemme CRT, a $2.25 off 10 hair care CRT, 2 of the $3 off whitening CRTs, a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT, a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT, a 3 off of 2 Axe CRT, as well as a 3 off of 10 Joa CRT. So the total after coupons is going to be $21.98. I used $21 in extra bucks to pay for this, making the total 98 cents, but you get back $18 in extra bucks. So for beauty, I needed $24.24 to hit beauty. I have $44.77 worth of beauty items from both transactions. So I will get back a $3 beauty buck. I used $43 in extra bucks to pay for this for both transactions. And I only got back $28 in extra bucks plus a $3 beauty buck, which I will get in 48 hours. So I took a $12 loss in extra bucks, which is not bad because I will make up for it probably during the week or next week or when we receive that big beauty buck up to $20. So I think it was worth it, especially with the Scott paper towels. And now I'm going to show you guys my second receipt, and then the video will be done there. So second transaction, here goes the receipt. Okay, so there goes the Tresemme products, or 4 of them. 2 for $10, 2 for $8. There goes the Crest 3D White, $4.99 each. Vaseline, $4.79. There goes the Joa lip liners for $4.99 each. There goes the 2 Axe body washes for $5.99 each. There goes all the coupons I used there. And I had a subtotal of 98 cents, $2.49 for tax, making it $3.47. There goes, where's Beauty at? I wanted to show you guys Beauty really quick, or up here. So I needed $24.22 to hit Beauty. And again, I had $44.77 with both transactions. $72.56 is counting so far towards the Epic Beauty event. And I got back a $2 extra buck for, what was this, for the Tresemme. There goes the other $2 for the Tresemme. $5 in extra bucks for the Dove deal, so that's the Axe and the Vaseline. And $5 for the Joa Cosmetics. And $4 for the Crest mouthwash. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you check out my videos during the week where I bring you guys a video on rare CRTs that we do get. I did find some really good deals with those, so make sure you check that video out. And I'll just bring you guys a couple of more hauls, just showing you guys what I did at CVS slowly, because sometimes it could get a little overwhelming. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.